figured I'd make a video here real quick to show how you can use IM608 to program an additional key for Volkswagen. This is a Jetta 2014. So I'm going to go ahead and ignition on with the working key. I have my VCI hooked up, I have my programmer plugged in, I have my internet connected. So now I'm going to go into European, Volkswagen. You might can use the automatic, but I usually just go into expert. So I'm stuck on network connecting, and I wanted to see if I had internet, so I went into the web browser and loaded the Autel site, which it loads, so I know it's not an internet problem. It's a problem with the Volkswagen server, I guess, where, well, you know, Autel, but whatever they're trying to connect to. And, you know, I can't back out. It won't let me exit this. It won't let me leave this. Unless I go to settings, you can go to apps, and I've let that sit for like 10 minutes now. So I mean, this isn't something where I'm just being impatient and immediately cutting it off. I've let it sit there for 10 minutes just to see what's going to happen.
It's music by the antique suite for 4 guitars.
So let's try it again. And that's the second time. I tried to restart the computer the tablet, and do it. I've tried 2 different internet connections. Same thing. So let's try automatic selection this time. Let's just stay out of the expert. For some reason it doesn't want me to be an expert today. Alright. Decoding failed for the VIN because it can't connect to the internet. Let's go to manual selection. So you know that's pretty disappointing. It is pretty disappointing when you need to use your tool, and for whatever reason it doesn't want you to use it. I don't know what this is. It ain't no damn diesel. That's an accident. Let's try petrol. I'm really surprised at this today. I use the IM608 all the time for programming Volkswagen keys. So I'm not sure if they're having server issues or what's going on. But this is very inconvenient. Key is on, it should be communicating. And you know, there's nothing wrong with this car, it's just a spare key. Alright, so we got something happening here. Okay, let's go to add key. No, this vehicle does not have a chassis. So we're going to read immobilizer data. Connecting to the programmer. Okay, I have to do a little bit of a firmware upgrade here. Instrument cluster is going to go black, it says. I did just that. Do not be alarmed. That is normal. Go ahead and put this guy in there, because we need to make him a dealer key. Because right now it's a blank. It's just a blank key, unformatted. Stuck at 30%. Reading the immobilizer. %. Maybe I should have just done a video for the VVDI 2 and adding additional keys. I guarantee you I would have been done by now. Yes, we do need to make the dealer key. We have done that. Let's hit OK. Sorry, I paused there for a second. Somebody was texting me. The dealer key is made successfully in just a second. Make dealer key success. We do not need another key, so we're going to hit no. Now it's going to, we need 2 keys to be learned. So we're going to enter 2, we're going to hit enter. So 25%. So now we're going to turn this off. We're going to turn it back on. Okay, we have 1 of 2 keys learned. We'll add this guy, and we have 2. Oh, I missed it, but it said 2 of 2. Now we're going to program the remote. Press any button on the remote. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I pushed the button. And there you go. You see the flash is flashing. So everything is all done. Take the key out. There's unlock. You can hear it. You can see it. I'm going to start the car. Running. So it worked really well once I did not go with the expert, which is weird. I usually always do expert. Like I said, it just didn't want me to be an expert today to show you guys. There you go. One last thing to do. It is very important, and that's to add a little sticker. Because everybody loves stickers. And I like it when you get the stickers straight. Good to go.